Tired of managing multiple software just to run your business? What if everything you need was in one place? Meet TaskFino. TaskFino brings together HRMS, payroll, employee loan, asset management, accounting, CRM, lead management, project management, and task tracking, all in one seamless, easy-to-use platform. Handle your HR tasks seamlessly with HRMS. Optimize attendance and leave management with ease. Generate detailed reports with a single click to make smarter, faster HR decisions. Process payrolls in minutes, accurate, fast, and hassle-free. With asset management in TaskFino, you can add, assign, and monitor assets effortlessly. Track and convert leads effortlessly with our CRM system. Keep your accounts in check with detailed accounting and reporting tools. Manage projects smartly, assign, track, and complete tasks right on time with features like global tracking, deadline management, subtasks, sprint planning, and a Kanban view. TaskFino ensures your team stays organized and efficient. Why choose TaskFino? It increases efficiency with automated workflows, reduces costs by replacing multiple tools, and offers a user-friendly interface anyone can master. Ready to take your office management to the next level? Try TaskFino today and see the difference.